Hello everyone, so we're here from this one of this analyze of these games here. So it means the title of this one is PD Women's Grand Prix from this Nicosia 2025. So it means after from Monaco, the next one is Nicosia from this one. So it means PD Women's Prix Nicosia 2025. So let me introduce our 10 players from this Nicosia from Philly Women's Grand Prix. So these are the 10 players are from this International Master Olga Baldelga in this Australia, and also Grandmaster Harika Dronavali in this India, and also 3 from Grandmaster Alexander Gorishkina in this Russia, and also 4th is International Master Divya Deshmukh in this India, and also fifth is Grandmaster Nana Dazgadnidze in this Georgia, and also sixth by Grandmaster Anna Muzishchuk from this Ukraine, and also Grandmaster Maria Muzishchuk from this Ukraine, and also eighth by Grandmaster Zhu Zhener from this China, and also Grandmaster Elizabeth Hyde in this Germany, and also last from this International Master Stafrola Sholartidou from this so it means Greece. It's Greece from this one. So it means today's round number one from this one. So it means look at the new profile pic from this one. From this new profile pic. So it means exchange from this profile. So it means Grandmaster from China Zhu Zhener because she changes this her profile picture from this one. So versus from this international master from this Australia is Olga Baldelka from this one. So in this round number one, so it means long game 1 hour and 30 minutes here from this one. So in this part of this video, we have analyzed here of this chess game from this round number one. So white plays rook is e4, e5 Olga, knight f3, knight c6, bishop b5 is called Roy Lopez opening, and also knight f6 is called Roy Lopez opening, and Berlin or Wesley Saw defense from this one. So it means these are the moves here is knight d4. So it means bird defense from this one. So it means if you capture these knights here, or maybe pawn takes knight. So it means these are example from this main line here from this one. So back there is knight f6 move by Olga, and also d3. So it means knight threat by e4 because they move back from d3 here from this defense here. And also bishop c5. Oh my god. So it means upcoming move by knight g4 or maybe with a threat. Simple is that we need more careful from this one. And also c3. Oh my god, we move by push from d4, and also d6. So it means d6 here, without pin, without check, or maybe pin from this check here by king, and also castle king side, and also knight bd2. So it means knight bd2 here from this one, or maybe without coming here, or maybe without g4 by bishop here, still connecting from this one, from this bishop from black, and also rook e8, and also b4. So it means b4 is threatening bishop. So this is the problem is novelty. So novelty by b4 by Zhu. So it means the old main line here is simple is it also have d4, and also knight b3, and also rook e1. So it means good novelty. These are three old main lines here from this one. So it means these are the good novelty. So it means simple is that here. So novelty is b4. Threat bishop. So it means bad move by question mark by Zhu. and also bishop backwards b6, and also knight c4. So it is moved by Zhu, or maybe with a threat by bishop by Olga here from this one. And also a6 with a threat by bishop, and also knight takes bishop, pawn takes knight, and also bishop a4. So it means without move, or maybe without danger by b5, so it means control connecting by black pieces here from this one. And also d5, so it means d5 by develops by Olga, and also queen e2, so it means queen e2 without develops here, or maybe with a focusing move by Zhu from this one, and also bishop g4, so it means without pin, so it means pin, so it means but bad move by Olga, so it means bad move. So the best moves there is push b5, so it means push b5, so it means without threat by here by bishop, or maybe with a move here by bishop b3 here from this one, so it means without, we need to connecting by the valves here. So back there is bishop g4, and also h3, so it means without threat by bishop here, or maybe with a threatening bishop here, and also bishop h5, and also bishop g5, so it means bishop g5 by Zhu, or maybe with a pin by queen without pinning here, and also b5. What a good shot by Olga, so it is without threat by bishop here, and also bishop b3, and also capture this bishop, so it means another bad move by Olga. So the best moves there is h6, so it means h6 here, or if you move by backwards bishop h4, and also g5. Look at evaluation bar, still strongest move by black pieces. If you backwards here by g3, and also push g4, so it means without threat, or maybe backwards by knight d2. So simple as that, it is good examples here from this one. So back there is bishop takes knight, and also queen takes f3, and also push d4, so it means without threat by pawns, and also good move c4, so it means good move by Zhu, so it means we need to push by pawns here from this one, and also h6, so it means, so h6 is threat by bishop is simple. This is a wrong move by pawn, so it means wrong move. So the best moves there is capture this pawn, and also capture these pawns here, so it means you need to control by captured here from this one. So back there is h6 with a threat bishop, captured, and also bishop e2. Why move by bishop e2 here? Maybe if you move here, it's okay, move by here by h4 here, or maybe h4 by push here, so it means push h4. So bishop d2 here, and also queen e7, so it means without develops, or maybe with a double by queens and rooks here by connecting here by develops, and also h4, and also knight h7, another X move by Olga, so it means another X move. So the best moves there is knight d7, so it means knight d7 here. So simple is that we need two best moves here from this one. So knight h7, and also rook ac1, or maybe without move by targets by knights here from this one, and also knight d8, queen g3, so it means good decisions by Zhu with idea, so it means with idea with a capture these pawns here from this one, or if you can, so it means cannot move by capture, so it means without check. Oh, simple is that, checking, or maybe without threatening by mating nets here from this one. And also king force h8, and also rook c5. What the strongest move by Zhu? Or maybe with a threatening by pawns here from this one. So it means b5 here. And also rook a6. So it means rook a6. And also push h5. So it means what develops good decisions by Zhu here from this one. And also knight f6. So it means, or maybe knight f6 here without, so it means without idea, or maybe with a move here by knight d7, or maybe move by knight e6. So it means without threat. Simple is that we need threat here without threatening by rooks here, or maybe with a double by knights here. And also queen h3, and also knight e6. So it means without threatening by rook. So it means bad move by Olga. So the best moves there is knight d7. So it means without threatening by rook. Knight d7 is the best moves here. So knight e6, threatening rook. Rook takes captured. So it means we need to capture it by pawns here, and also rook c6. So it means rook c6, or maybe with a move by without battery. Oh, simple is that we need to move battery, and also queen f5, knight d8. So it means knight d8 here, or maybe without defense by pawns here, and also rook c1, rook to rook, captured, and also b6. So it means sacrifice by Olga. So it means sacrifice here. How many time clocks here? Oh, still lowest by 2 minutes by I am Olga. So it means 2 minutes. And also 27 minutes by GM Zhu. Oh, neat. She is a fast moves as you can hear from this one. So it means b6 here. And also bishop e2. Queen c7 without defense by pawns. And also f4. Captured, and also queen takes f4. Oh, without queen to queen, or maybe if we move here is bishop takes captured. So simple is within threat by queens here, or maybe with a threatening by queens here. So queen takes f4 here, and also queen c6 avoided by Olga. Why don't we capture this queen to queens here by capture, and also bishop takes queen, or maybe without, or rook bishop, double bishop, and rook double knights here. So it means pieces here from this one. So queen c6 avoided by I am Olga, and also rook f5, and also knight h7. So it means without move by here by Olga, and also b5 with a threatening by queen, and also queen backward c8, queen d6. So it means without threat by b6 by pawns, and also knight e6. So it means without develops, or without focusing here by moves here, and also queen takes pawn. So it means decided to capture these pawns by queen, and also knight hg5. So it means knight hg5 here from this one. So it means without focusing, and also a4, and also rook e7. Oh my god, still without focusing, or move by here by rook b7 without threat by queen, or maybe without focus here from this one, and also queen d6 without threat by rook, and also rook c7, and also rook f1. So it is without backwards by Zhu, and also knight c5 with a threat by bishop, or simple as that threat here, or maybe with a threat without bishop here from this next connection from this threat here, and also bishop takes knight, pawn takes bishop, and also rook c1. So it means without here, or maybe without pin by rook to rooks here. Simple is that. So if you capture this, so it means without captured, or maybe here by rook to rooks here from this one. And also king h7, and also bishop d5. Knight e6. Oh, simply need to rook without check. Simple as that, check here from these develops here without connection by my targets here. And also rook takes, knight takes rook. So very good move by Olga. So it means without queen to bishop and also queen by knights. Oh, simple as that. So it means knight or maybe with a threat by bishop here by white pieces here. And also bishop takes pawn and also g4. So it means connection here by move. And also queen g6 check. And also king h8 and also push h6, so it means without danger by blacks. Oh my god, without here or maybe without or maybe without threatening by mating neck by black pieces here. And also knight is e8, so it means knight e8. So if you capture this one from pawns and also goodbye mating net, so it means example. So after knight is e8 and also last shot is pawn takes capture check, so it means end of this battle, so it means resigned by international master Olga Baldelga in this Australia. So why she resigns? Because so if your knight takes captured here, only move and also queen h6 mating net. So it means lose by blacks here. So the winner of this grandmaster from China is Ru Zhener from this one. So it means 1 point from these developments here. So I hope on this part of this video, thank you so much for watching. I'm Mark Luagi 17, aka Mike 17. Have a good day, keep safe and keep update from this chess analyze of these games. Goodbye.